We founded this company on the belief that inside every child lives a legend. What do we mean by that? That every child is unique. Each of them is a miracle. Each is born with unlimited potential. That's our why. That's our reason for being. That's where the Little Legends come in. The Little Legends turnkey curriculum system is an evolving collection of story sets that start in Legendale, the home of Mateo, Kannon, Ember, Nova, and their enchanting magical drone Gimbal. The Little Legends program uses pedagogically sound stories and activities to teach students about the power of drones and coding. Since most young students are still developing the dexterity needed to fly a drone, we demonstrate real-world drone usage through engaging activities. The drone-related activities include stories, physical games, board games, unplugged coding activities, and hands-on projects. The starter set comes with all of the materials you'll need to get started, including a Tello drone for teacher drone demonstrations, storybook slides, instructional slides, printable lesson plans, character game pieces, coding cards, game cards, polydots, mission mats, and printable STEM project templates and activity sheets. Let's take a bird's-eye view of the Little Legends turnkey curriculum. There are 5 week-long story-based programs in the starter set. Welcome to Legendale. Each story in the series contains 5 days of 45-minute activity sessions, which include a read-aloud story, a group physical game similar to tag or hide and seek, a board game, an unplugged coding mission, an individual STEM project, and individual skill development activities. While the story should be read on the first day of the week, the remaining activities can be done in any order. Let's dive deeper into each day's activities. On day 1, students listen to and help read an engaging drone-related story. Following the story, students play a physical group game. Physical games in the Welcome to Legendale series include Week 1, Gimbal Says, a game inspired by Simon. Says that uses drone flight movements like throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll. Week 2, Package Delivery, race to collect story-themed items. Week 3, Find the Clues, a game similar to Capture the Flag. Week 4, Flower Fix, a tagging game. And Week 5, Hurricane Heroes, a game inspired by sharks and minnows. These physical games promote the development of motor skills, social interaction, and emotional and physical health in young children. The teacher may choose to follow the game with a drone flight demonstration. On day 2, students break up into 4 teams, each with 3 to 5 members. Using the mission mats and game cards, they play story-themed board games with their team. Board games in the Welcome to Legendale series include Week 1, Guess Where, a game similar to I Spy, in which students ask yes and no questions to identify cards. Week 2, Delivery Deputies, in which students travel along a path to collect cards in a sequence. Week 3, Clue Connector, a Dominoes-inspired game in which students connect cards through common characteristics. Week 4, Flower Power, a memory game, and Week 5, Match It, a matching game. On day 3, students work in teams to complete an unplugged coding mission. The term unplugged coding refers to teaching coding concepts and sequential thinking without using computers or digital devices. In the unplugged coding missions, students place coding cards, each of which represents a drone flight command such as throttle, pitch, yaw, and roll, in a sequential order to create a code for Gimbal to fly. The missions build in complexity and coding skills. The teacher may choose to follow the unplugged coding activity with a drone flight demonstration. On day 4, students use the engineering design process to create paper airplanes. The engineering design process is a series of steps engineers use to solve problems by asking, imagining, planning, creating, and improving their ideas. Students will modify and test one aspect of their paper airplane each week, seeking to improve their original design along the way. Students design, create, test, and improve their paper airplanes to best resist the pull of gravity and maintain flight for as long as possible. On day 5, students work on individual skill activities using the activity sheets downloaded from the Drone Legends Educator portal. These include mazes, dot-to-dots, seek and find, matching challenges, coloring pages, and more. Games and activities from the previous days can be repeated on day 5 as well. Each week of the Little Legends program follows the same recommended format, but keep in mind that the program is flexible. You can run the activities in any order, making it legendary for your students.